Hey guys, welcome to Aaron's Automotive. Last video we cold started the old 82 Chevy, and now, oh man, it's still just as bitter cold out. We're gonna crank up the older the 78 motorhome. So cold. So this one has had a battery charger on it since the day I parked it. I'm not letting this battery go dead on me. And it's also a pain in the ass to get the battery out, so I'm not pulling the battery out over winter. So this one might not be as dramatic of a cold start. We'll see. I got lots of power. Let's crank this bugger up. Oh, so close, it wants to. A little smoky. Power steering pump's a little crabby. All the electronics are no. But she ran. Good old trusty 400 small block. Alright. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and if you want to see more videos, I ask that you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.